Okay, this begins Chapter 5 of Excel. I'm going to go ahead and start on page Excel 344. And I've already done some of the formatting. This is stuff you should be able to do. I've sized the columns here as it says on the first step there on 344 according to that. And then I've typed in Silver Photography, Accessories, Sales Rep Table here in cell A7. So I'm going to continue on here with step 3 on that page. So I'm selecting this cell. You've done this before. It should be nothing new to you. And we're going to go up to Cell Styles. We're going to set that title style in there. And then we're going to change the color to a reddish color. So we want to go here on the font colors. We're looking at this red accent 2. Go ahead and select that. And then instead of merging and centering our title here, we're going to do something a little different. I'm going to show you how to sort of set that to go across a number of cells. So go ahead and select cell A7 through H7, and then right click on your selection and go to Format Cells. And if you go to Alignment here, you see the horizontal here? If you select that, and you can say Center Across Selection. It's another way, you're not actually merging the cells, you're just setting that value to go all the way across the selection you have there. See, so it's similar to merging, except each of these cells still are their own cell. Okay, now that we've finished that, we're going to go ahead and enter in our column headings here in cells A8 through H8. I'm just going to pause as I type those in. Okay, now that I have those in, we're going to go ahead and select them. We're going to apply a different cell style to those also. We're going to apply the heading 3 to that. Okay, so right there, click that, and that fills that in nicely there. Then we're going to rename our sheet, and I have to make my window a little smaller because my recording stuff is in the way. So double click, and we're just going to type in sales rep table there. Okay, well, better get a capital S there. Okay, I'm going to set this, well, before I do that, I'm going to change the color now to the same red accent 2 that we had before. So right click on it, go to Tab Color, and select the color right there. And then one more thing, we're going to delete these extra tabs. So go ahead and click on Sheet 2, holding the Control key, click on Sheet 3, and that will select both of them. And then right click on it and select Delete. And then we get rid of those 2 extra sheets we don't need there. Okay, the next thing it says to do is to update your document properties. You don't have to do this, but if you want to, it's here in Prepare, Properties, and this is where you can fill in, if it comes up, you can fill in the properties, author, title, subject, things like that, and then just close it when you're done. Okay, next thing we want to do is go ahead and save what we have here. I'm going to go to Save As. And let's see, in My Documents, CIS 123, I'm going to save it in an Excel 3 folder, or Excel 5 folder, excuse me, and save it as Silver Photography Accessories Sales Rep Table, or Sales Rep Table. No need to really type all of that in. Okay. Now that we have it saved, we're going to move on. We're going to format our range as a table. So go ahead and, again, select cells A8, or A8, yeah, that was right, through H8, and then go up here to Format as Table. Select that, and these are all the different styles of tables you can do. We're going to apply this medium 2 to it. Click that. It asks if you have headers, and that's what these are right here, name, gender, age. So check that checkbox, hit OK, and now you have a table that's created that we're going to start filling in data for here pretty soon. Okay, so we have that. Now go ahead and scroll down so that Silver Photography Excel Accessory Sales Rep Table is at the top, and now we're going to go ahead and start formatting our table.